just want this skin as clean as possible before we get these feathers turned back inside out. I'm using Dawn dish soap. You can use regular Dawn. I like Dawn Platinum. I just like how it smells a little bit more. Now, because this bird has so many holes, we're really going to take time to get this skin clean. And then at this point, we're just going to carefully start inverting all the skin. Now, because there's so much blood in this water, I'm going to wring this bird out, and I'm going to get fresh water, and we're going to do another wash with Dawn until we start to see things clearing up. I'll do this washing process on the feathers 3 to 4 times. Once or twice on the skin, 3 to 4 times on the feathers themselves. It just depends on how dirty your bird is. If you do not spend enough time on this part of the bird and this process, it will show later on. Now, since we do have a really dirty bird, I am going to let this sit for a couple hours and allow things to really clean up and clear up with this bird. I don't want to take any chances. So I just let that sit right now, and then we'll come back here in a couple hours and move on to the rinsing process.